Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two of the hottest mid-sized electric SUVs head-to-head, the 2025 Tesla Model Y versus the BYD Sea Lion. Which one gives you more bang for your buck? Let's find out. First up, price. The Tesla starts at £45,000, topping out at £52,000. The BYD comes in a bit pricier, from £47,000 to £59,000. But is it worth the extra cash? The Model Y now has a sharper look with new lights and a minimalist interior with Alcantara touches. The BYD Sea Lion, sporty outside, plush leatherette inside, and more physical buttons if you prefer a tactile feel. On paper, it's neck and neck. Nearer to 60, Tesla 4.33 seconds, BYD 4.35. Range? Tesla claims 379 miles, but real world is closer to 278. BYD's bigger battery delivers about 228 real-world miles. Tesla's got the sharper display, more games and streaming apps. BYD fires back with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Boot space? Tesla wins. 854 litres versus 520. Back seats? Tesla's got a rear screen. BYD has extra pockets and shoulder room. So, is it the responsive Tesla or the comfy BYD Sea Lion for you? Drop your winner in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic EV battles.